Hi, my name is Ira Schoenberg. I'm a Sage 100 consultant at SWK Technologies, and today I'm going to show you how to create a custom theme in Sage 100. You can customize the appearance of Sage 100 windows using theme maintenance. You can access it by going to Library Master, Main, Theme Maintenance. Sage includes 3 stock themes, the Classic, Standard Blue, and Standard Green theme. These can't be modified or deleted, but you can copy one and then modify the copy. I'll show you what that looks like. First, let's take a look at the standard green theme. The standard green theme changes the icon set to green, the tabs and hyperlink font color to green, and the primary buttons color to green. And you can see here the tab colors are green, the hyperlink text font color is green, the icons are green, and the primary buttons are green. But let's say that's just not enough green for you. So we'll create you your own theme, and we'll call it, you guessed it, green. If you click the Copy From button, you can copy previously created themes. So we'll select the standard green theme. And now you can see it has the attributes of the standard green theme, and we can modify it. So we'll change the description. There's default fonts you can choose from. There's 2 icon sets, the classic and the green. You can change the window background or the window frame. We'll go ahead and change the window frame to green. We can change the secondary buttons color. We'll do that to a lighter shade of green. And for grids, you can change the row height. You can make them smaller, which would fit more lines, or expanded, which would be larger. We'll go with expanded. And you can select alternate line colors. So we'll make ours green. If you click the default button, it'll make this the theme for all companies within Sage. We won't do that. We'll assign it to a specific company. So we'll click accept. And to assign it to a specific company, you go to Library Master, Main, Company Maintenance. Select the company, go to tab 8, and then look up the theme and select it. So we'll go ahead and accept that. And now you can see that the window borders are green, the lines in the data grid are green, and they're a little bit larger. The font changed, and the secondary button colors changed. So that's an example of how you can create a theme. Let's say that that's too much green for me, and I want to go back to the classic theme. I can do that as a user. So to do that, you go to Library Master, Security, User Maintenance. And then go to Preferences, and there's a theme code. And then you can select the appropriate theme. I'll go back to the classic theme. And now you can see the classic theme is back. I'll show you one more example of how to create a theme. Let's say you have a new company you're implementing and you're not ready for live day-to-day use. You could put a red border on the screens. So red typically indicates stop, and you can let end users know if they see the red border, they're in the wrong company. So to do that, you'll go to Library Master, Main, Theme Maintenance, create a theme. We'll call it Test. And then we can change the window frame to red. And then now when end users log into the company, they'll see the red border, and that'll indicate to them to stop if you notify them. So this concludes our Sage 100 demonstration on theme maintenance. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.